Hi, this is Josh from MarineMax in New York. Today we're going to look at a brand new 2022 Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. Starting at the transom, you'll see that this boat's equipped with a 150 Mercury. Great motor, great power for this size of a boat, runs really well. Moving forward, you'll see it has the optional sea deck. Great look with the gray. Infinity woven vinyl flooring, also in gray. Pairs well with the ivory interior. Moving forward, this boat has a Simrad multifunction display. Also comes with a Fusion stereo. To the port side, we have a bench style seating. This bolster will remove if you wanted to face forward. So it's kind of a combination seat. Storage underneath the port side helm. And plenty of room in the bow. If you just want to hang out on the water all day, enjoy the nice weather that we have today. If you have any questions about this boat, please give us a call here at MarineMax Huntington. Our sales consultants will be happy to tell you everything about this boat and answer any questions you may have. My name is Josh. Hope to see you.